Hello friends, and welcome back to Everyday Cooking with Mum and me. Today we are going to be making a creamy fruit salad. This fruit salad is very creamy, sweet and absolutely delicious. It is very easy to make and is a perfect dessert for family gatherings, parties, or even if you want a quick snack. So what are we waiting for? Let's have a look at this healthy recipe. We will need 1 big chopped apple, 1 diced banana, 15 to 20 chopped grapes, and 1 big chopped orange, along with 15 grams unsalted pistachios, 15 grams almonds, 15 grams cashews, 1 teaspoon cardamom powder, 1 tablespoon saffron milk for flavour, 300 ml double cream, and 200 ml condensed milk. Now we're going to take a bowl and add our double cream, then add our saffron milk and condensed milk. Then we're going to mix everything together. If you want to make a healthier version of this recipe, you can use Greek yogurt instead of double cream. If you like our videos, then please subscribe and hit that notification bell for more amazing videos. Now that our condensed milk and double cream is nicely mixed, we're going to add our banana, our grapes, oranges, apple, and cardamom powder. Then we're going to mix everything well. Now we're going to blend all our dry fruits. Our unsalted pistachios, our cashews, and almonds. We've crushed half of our nuts and we've kept half for garnishing at the end. Now we're going to add our crushed dry fruits and then mix it. And then it's time for serving. In this recipe we have used bananas, apples, grapes and oranges, but you can use your favourite type of fruits as well. I hope you liked our videos, and if you did, then please drop a like, leave a comment, share with friends and family, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more videos. Bye for now. Thanks for watching. Happy cooking!